Oh my god, what's going on inside me? Hey, just hold this bag.
Hey, baby, I had so much fun doing it today, baby. Look at that.
Hey, you crazy girl, what are you doing? You started taking your clothes off on the road itself. Have some shame.
Hey, what should I do? Shame on you. My boyfriend has just dropped me from the hotel. I will go to my 20th boyfriend wearing these clothes, which will drive all the people crazy. But before that...
Oh,
If you love your mom, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what time you're watching this. Hurry up.
damn, you were right. A minute ago, your belly looked like a buffalo's. Now you look like a freaking model.
Yeah, I told you. I'm about to look super hot. That's why guys go crazy over me.